We want to highlight a couple of our Floors for Good nominees today in hopes of giving you an idea of maybe an organization that you would like to nominate for our free floor giveaway. Today's organizations both work with people in different circumstances to provide the comfort of housing. The first is Habitat for Humanity of Boone County. Deserving families work side by side with volunteers and the organization to build their new homes. They help break the cycle of poverty through educational programs as well. The second group is the Sun Foundation. They provide free lodging for adult cancer patients and their families because they're often traveling to Indianapolis to receive treatment, so they house them while they're here in Indy. Obviously, both great organizations doing wonderful things in our community. New and vibrant floors would be a true blessing to any organization and the families that they serve. And new flooring would ease the cost for one of the Habitat for Humanity houses that would be built in the future. What other incredible organizations in the Indy area do you know about that you might want to nominate, or you might know someone else who would nominate? So please share this video and help us do good for others. Help us nominate a great organization at floorsforgood.com, and then we will need your votes at the end to choose the final winner. Thank you.